Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best multi-tool bike tools on the market, the Vibrelli Bike Multitool V19. Whether you're an avid cyclist or just getting started, having the right tools on hand can make all the difference. Let's explore why this tool stands out from the rest. First off, let's talk about what makes the Vibrelli V19 so impressive. It's packed with 19 precision tools, including hex keys, spoke wrenches, screwdrivers, and even a chain breaker tool. Made from hardened crossing V steel, this multi-tool is not only durable but designed to withstand tough conditions. Meeting military-grade MIL STD 810G standards. With its compact and slim profile, just 3 inches long and weighing only 6.5 ounces, you can easily slip it into your pocket or bike bag. It's designed for cyclists by cyclists, ensuring it meets all your repair needs on the go. Let me show you how versatile this tool is. Need to adjust your bike seat? No problem. How about tightening a loose bolt? Done. From minor adjustments to more complex repairs, the Vibrelli V19 handles it all with ease. One thing that really stands out is its build quality. Crafted from high-tensile CRV steel, it's built to last. Vibrelli stands behind their product with a lifetime manufacturer's warranty, so you know they mean business when it comes to durability. It's no wonder it's Amazon's choice for bike multi-tools. As we wrap up, if you're looking for a reliable multi-tool that won't let you down on the road, the Vibrelli Bike Multitool V19 is definitely worth considering. With its robust design, comprehensive toolset, and excellent customer feedback, it's a solid investment for any cyclist. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on products like this. Until next time, ride safe and enjoy the journey with the right tools at your side.